Isang linggo na wala si Ronald Llamas. Ano nangyari doon?
Ano ba ginagawa na sa Japan?
Nagliliwali sa Japan.
Nagliliwaliw. Some family
Ah,
time. I mean, it's a good...
Tumakas. Ang dami nag-react. The last time sinabi natin, tumakas. Nagbibiro lang po kami.
joke.
Kabiruan namin yon.
Oo.
Marami nagalit. Ang daming tards ni
Ang dami niyang
Ronald.
supporters.
Ang dami niyang supporters. Nakala niya, masyado
Cards ang
natin.
tawag mo.
Tards. Mga tards ni Ronald.
Sa'yo na.
Kasi I think yung caption natin last time, Dilawan na DDS. Yun yung naging caption natin.
Tapos, clickbait daw, dahil nilagyan natin yung thumbnail daw, wala naman pala siya doon sa usapan natin. Hindi natin kasama.
Actually, kinamusta ko si Ronald. Kasi nagpadala na naman siya ng
Picture.
nagpadala siya nitong link from the Inquirer. Akbayan Party List and Atin Ito Coalition recognizes the Kalayaan 16 or local government officials who are barred to travel in China after declaring persona non grata Beijing's past and present envoys in Manila. Yun yung
Ang
pinadala
sipag
niya.
magpadala ng mga link niya, ano?
Oo, kahit nakabakasyon siya. Mukhang enjoy siya, by the way. Kasama niya yung anak niya.
Parang
So,
he discovered social media.
Ha?
he discovered, what do you mean? As in, he's
Well-
super secretly active on it.
Well, he took up journalism in school, in USD. So, in a sense, you
Tsaka
could say
editor siya, di ba?
bumabalik siya. Tsaka nag-varsitarian, campus paper, and all that. So, he was an editor of the campus paper.
Can you
So,
imagine
medyo
Ronald
yun
Llamas
ang
as your
roots
editor?
niya.
But you know what?
Nalihis din siya na landas sa pagiging international man of mystery.
Alam mo gaano siya ka-mysterious? Ginugol ko siya just before coming up here.
Ang dami lumabas.
Yung birthday niya, hindi nakalabas sa walang birthday. Merong best guest yung AI ng Google. Which is,
Talaga?
sabi, based on the September 2011 article, mag-50 na raw siya. So parang
50?
No, it's 2011. Which means,
Okay. 65.
he's gonna be 64. Yeah. As
Tama-
of today,
Tama
he's
mga
64.
reaction, di ba?
Ganun siya ka-mysterious. So after that, naniwala na ako dun sa moniker mo na international man.
Parang siyang si Austin Powers.
Oh.
So ano pa pag-uusapan natin?
Well,
Ang dami
I remember si
nangyari.
Austin Powers, maraming chicks.
Oo. The spy who shagged me.
Science is not here to talk about yung Chinese New Year. So, I mean, we saw the Chinese ambassador. I don't remember his name.
Ching Chuan.
But it's very...
Ching Quan.
Chuan.
He has a
Huh?
very...
Ching Chuan.
Chuan yung pronunciation.
Yes.
Ching Chuan.
Ching
Ching
Chuan.
Chuan. He has a
Hindi ko
very... what's the right word? Yung itsura niya very distinct.
Meron nga siyang event last week.
He's
Tapos
mga
nakaano siya.
Number one, he's youngish looking. He doesn't
he's
look
young,
old.
he's young.
No, in
Sige,
fact, when
kambi pa,
when he
kambi
went
pa.
to Chinatown for the Chinese New Year celebration, he was wearing a golf shirt. Medyo malaki katawan eh.
He's
Parang
fit.
kung fu, Shaolin Master. Hindi, malaki katawan.
Sige lang, gatungan pa.
Bata.
Bata.
It's
Actually,
Doesn't
last
look like
week,
a
meron
diplomat.
silang, I guess, pre-Chinese New Year celebration. So, may LED wall sa likod niya. Yung suot niya yung black na Mao collar.
Mhm.
Pero may parang white siya na shirt sa loob. So, sabi ko kay Sis, parang mukhang pare yung outfit niya tuloy. Kasi sumisilip-silip yung puti. It was-
Actually, ako mas mukha siyang sundalo.
Nakakatakot
Anong
yun.
Hindi.
hiwating mo ba?
Looks
What
more like
are
a
you
soldier
trying
than
to
a
imply?
diplomat. No. Looks more like a soldier than a
Yeah, because he's
diplomat.
he's a ramrod,
Mm.
right? He's straight.
Looks lang
he's-
I'm not saying anything else. I'm just
Yeah.
saying he
Naka-
his appearance.
Chato.
Oh, yun.
Chato.
That's the one.
Oo,
Yung buhok
chato.
niya kasi, yung
Oo,
haircut
krukat,
niya.
di ba?
May pagka-krukat.
Oo.
Hindi lang may pagka-krukat talaga.
Then of course you have the
Pwede
wolf
talaga
warrior
tumapat,
palsy.
pantapat talaga kay Tariela. Match sila, di ba? Pareho. Isa, PMA washout, right?
Pimi ba siya? Pimi?
Well,
Ah,
think
he
took
didn't
a few years.
finish.
He didn't finish. yeah.
Mm.
He didn't finish. There were some allegations. I mean, it's
So
on the
pareho sila ni
internet.
Tariela. Bagay sila. Match sila ni Tariela. In a way.
But I think Tariela naman serves his purpose eh. Di ba?
We're going back to that. no?
We're going back to that. But gusto niya pag-usapan ibang topic. Ang daming nagyayari ngayon. Malapit
Like-
na mag-confirmation of charges here.
I don't even know what's going to happen there.
It's like a PI para sa preliminary investigation.
Why 5 days?
PIs can take longer.
Really?
No, sa DOJ, some PIs take longer. Some PIs take
so what's going to
several
happen in the
days.
preliminary
Because they're
investigation?
I think because
They're-
it's Europe, they don't overwork and they don't go overtime. So it's a certain number of hours a day lang. No, talaga. Di ba?
They're-
3 hours, 3 hours, 3
Right.
hours.
They're looking for substantial evidence of crime.
So charges will be read?
mhm.
Ganun ba yun?
They will be confirmed or not confirmed. If they are confirmed, meaning there is a finding of substantial evidence of a crime being committed, then they'll move to the next step, which is yung trial proper.
Trial na.
Trial.
Otherwise,
phase.
it's either dismissed or reverted back to the prosecutors.
So this is a preliminary investigation. This is what happens before the trial proper.
Hmm.
Yes.
Wala pa siya sa trial proper.
So
We're actually still in the pre-trial
will there be
phase.
evidences? Tama
Hindi,
ba?
Parang,
Yeah.
Evidence?
Pieces of evidence.
Pieces of evidence
parang PI. Ganun ang PI eh.
that will be presented by both sides?
Ang PI, your prosecution can present evidence. They can also present witnesses depending on how
Will
much
this be
they
presided by that judge, yung sumikat na judge?
The blonde one.
Oh,
I'm
Siya,
not
Yulia.
sure kung sino na to eh. I'm really not sure kung sino na to. But some particulars about the ICC, iba sistema nila.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Tell us about it.
Ibang-iba sistema nila. We're used to the US style eh. Yung nakikita mo sa pelikula at sa mga TV shows na
Are you talking about yung fact na arrest muna?
No.
Or just that? Hindi,
not
kasi
even that.
there's also that, di ba?
Not even that. It's kung ano yung papel ng prosecution, defense, and ng judge. Okay, si Conti put it this way. Ang US style, which is what we also adopted, is the adversarial style. Ibig sabihin, magbabanggaan ng prosecution tsaka yung defense, the judge will be the neutral arbiter and will make the decision based on the presentations of the two
Okay.
camps. Ang ICC, like a lot of countries in Europe, they're more of inquisitorial, meaning the judge is there to investigate.
Also.
So the judge can and will ask questions and will require certain things. Hindi lang bale prosecution tsaka defense ang hindi lang siya taga-panood at taga-basa ng mga ebidensya isa-submit. Hindi. The judge can also investigate eh. Not only that, the defense and the prosecution, this is what's interesting eh. For example, if the prosecution comes across any evidence that may tend to show the innocence of the accused, he is bound, the prosecutor is bound to divulge it.
But you're talking about trial na yan.
The
Hindi
trial-
pa sa
trial
confirmation
mismo.
hearings.
Oo.
So confirmation hearings is what are they trying to confirm? Whether...
There's substantial evidence that the crime was committed.
For it to proceed to the actual
Oo.
trial phase.
Parang
Preliminary investigation.
PI talaga.
prima facie evidence.
Prima
kumbaga
facie.
dito.
Probable cause. Parang
Probable
ganon.
cause, oo.
In the olden days, it was probable cause.
So there's a chance na bumalik to.
Always a chance man eh.
Is it babalik lang sa prosecution for further gathering of evidence? O
That
may chance ba to na
depends.
dismissal?
That depends on the judges.
Kaya is dismissal part of the
Yeah.
possible outcome?
Yes.
Mm.
And it's
Yun.
also pwede i-dismiss yung iba pero yung iba hindi. Depende sa
You have 3 charges eh.
Yeah.
So it's up to the judges to decide if it's all 3, one of the 3, two of the 3, or none of the 3. Yeah. The first one is of course yung as Davao City Mayor. The second one is yung high value targets. Third one is barangay clearance system.
Barangay.
Barangay clearance system.
Mali ata yun.
I know. Nakakatawa lang yun. Hindi, pero
Clearing the barangays of drug addicts.
But they also recently released a more redacted, less redacted version. So lumabas nga yung 8 names. And so former Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre II has been making the media round saying na di niya alam. And the other thing na akala ko isasama sila sa case nito.
Co-perpetrators ang tawag sa kanila.
Oo.
Not accused, not suspects.
Yeah, co-perpetrators.
Co-perpetrators.
But in-explain nga
Palang.
ni Attorney Conti rin na iba daw yung kaso nitong 8. Kumbaga, their role in this case of former President Rodrigo Duterte is para ma-build lang yung argument ng common plan.
So are they liable legally or are they just
That's a whole different novela,
oh,
apparently.
that's
Oh,
interesting.
yeah, so
In
she
other words,
said you have to remove.
can they be subject to arrest warrants?
It's possible, but not, kumbaga, kung masasubject sila, may sarili silang investigasyon din on them. And as of now, if ever that's ongoing, sabi ni Attorney Conti, hindi niya alam, kasi super top secret daw yun. But it could. It could also not. But for now, the reason why siya nilabas is para, like, so we see yung argument ng prosecution and kind of like gives us a bird's eye view on how they're going to lay out their argument.
Kasi masalimuot dyan yung kung maghuhulihan dun sa dalawang senador.
Oo.
Mhm.
Di ba?
Sa akin, ang pinaka-aabangan talaga sa 2022, no? Ang pinaka-aabangan dyan ay kung ano itsura ni Duterte kung long hair na. Because we haven't seen it.
Yes. I'm so
It's been how
honestly,
many months since you've seen him, ha?
23. Sa Feb 20. Pero pwede rin siya
Di
mag-wave,
ba? Kasi
diba?
yun ang, that it will be a big revelation for people to finally, it will be live streamed. Well,
It
30
would
minutes delayed. So
But tama
makikita
ba yung
ulit ng
intindi
mga
ko?
tao.
He can
kung
also
ano
not
itsura
appear.
niya.
I don't think naman he's required to appear.
He's not
Kasi
required to
his
appear.
lawyer-
He
He's
can
not required
choose
to appear.
video. He can choose video link like he did the first
Uh-huh.
time we saw him, the last time we saw him, the first and last.
So it's not given that we will see him?
No.
Pero
That's my
we might be
understanding.
able to see him.
Yes, I mean, I personally am
Nagan,
dying of curiosity. I want to see him.
Sabi ng anak, di ba, long hair na.
Oo.
Siguro naman gugupitan nila. Another thing, has he
Well,
lost
you can't force
weight?
him
Or,
to get a haircut if he doesn't want to.
Yeah. And I'm sure puti na yung hair niya, which we have never
Hindi
seen
nakapagtina.
before. Oo, wala namang titina sa kanya doon. But I'm very curious. I'm also wondering
Hindi mo
if
na curious kung si Bato long hair na rin.
tingin ko may access pa naman siya sa Mach 3 razor.
But yeah, that's going to be interesting kung anong nangyari dun sa dalawang senador eh. Kasi, ba?
you're talking about Senator Bato de la Rosa
and
and Senator Bongo.
And Bongo. Kasi ngayon, the Senate seems to be hedging on whether they will surrender the two.
I think they're supposed to have a caucus, di ba? Pero
Well,
it hasn't happened yet.
Yeah.
Well, surrender, may warrant na ba?
If it comes to that. If it comes to
Okay.
that. Mm.
Pero yun nga, parang understanding ko medyo premature eh. Kasi nga, if
At this
Yeah,
point,
they're
naman,
gonna be
everything's
treated-
premature.
that's true.
Mm.
So maybe they're just pushing,
Pero
that
yun nga kasi
caucus
when it
happens.
they won't bring it out. They'll just do it
Yeah,
and
that's
then
true.
say we have it. It's not like the
Bulagaan
first time.
talaga eh,
Like the first
bulagaan.
time with Duterte,
Mm.
di ba?
Hindi naman ina-announce yung warrant eh, no?
Oo.
Oo.
Oo. Purposely, dahil ayaw nilang tumakas
Tumakas,
sa
yeah.
mga takas.
Yeah.
no?
Eh,
Oo.
we were talking to Ping Lacson na eh.
Bulagaan niya.
Diba?
Yeah.
Siyempre, there's the feeling in the Senate parang how much should we protect our own
Mhm.
and versus the public interest and the public perception that we are protecting our own.
Yeah.
May ganun eh. Now, the Constitution is specific
Have,
about
have,
that.
have they confronted that issue? Have they talked about it? Or
They're going to talk
this
about
is just
it.
Ping Lacson
They're
thinking
going to
out
talk
loud?
about it and si Ping was quoting Tito Soto as saying na ang preference ni Tito Soto interpretation is the same one as yung kay Joby Salonga
Which is?
nung panahon ng arrest ni
Enrile.
Enrile.
Oh, at ano yon?
Yung panahon ni Enrile when he was supposed to be arrested for rebellion complex murder
Oo.
after the 1989 coup attempt.
Okay.
Ang preference ni Joby Salonga then was let us you cannot
Finish
make arrests. You cannot make arrests while the Senate is in session, but after the session then you can.
Okay. And the definition of session, he also included
Doon
that.
Basta hindi
talos.
bang. Hindi
Well, ang medyo magulo ngayon kasi is how you define session.
kaya nga.
Yeah.
So-
Adjournment versus suspension versus
With Senator Jovito Salonga back then, he meant it for the day,
for the
diba?
day.
For the day.
For the day.
Basically, bawal kayo
nahuli,
pumasok
di
sa
ba?
opisina.
Na-detain naman si Enrile eventually.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oh.
Pero kasi nandun na raw sa, and then sabi niya, hindi kayo pwede pumasok dito and respetuhin yung institusyon, huwag kayo mag-aaresto dito sa loob. Pero siguro nung uwian na, doon na siya pwede. So yung definition nun is
For the day.
For the day.
Kasi si
Right.
Ping kanina, when you were talking about it, ang parang definition niya, at least ni Ping, ng session is, pag natapos yung regular session, which is June.
okay.
So, What does that mean? Kung merong arrest warrant, June pa siya ma-aresto. Ganun ba yun? So that's a big question mark eh. But the Constitution, Section 6, Article 6, Section 11 says na legislators are immune from arrest while Congress is in session if, that's a big if that the crime allegedly committed is penalized by no more than 6 years in prison.
Wait, but does it
That's a big
include the
if.
fact na parang if it's an international tribunal, there is
the
completely
Constitution
vague?
never went that far. Sobra ka naman
No,
expect.
si Bato ba, Senator Bato, no work, no pay na?
Hindi.
No, his office is operating, so they said as long as it's
Diba,
operating.
That's what they were saying before pa eh, na we don't have any policy on no work, no pay, so the senators still get paid even if they're absent. Same goes with the congressman.
Swerte, no? Buti pa sila, no?
Tapos,
Oo.
yung pa
Sana
yung sabi ni
Sana
Ping,
all.
sabi ni Ping, so long as he's a senator, then he gets that privilege. So that's for the next that's for 6 years.
Yeah, he can
since
even
he was
file
elected.
bills,
Iba
diba? Ang
talaga,
hindi niya
no?
pwede gawin is yung bumoto.
Bukod tangi pala talaga pag senador ka, no? You're above the rest.
Well, it's in the Senate rule.
They make their own rules. In Australia, if I recall correctly, 2 months or 6 months of absence without justification, you can be booted out. May mga ganun eh.
But that's in their rules.
Canada din, may
Yeah.
ganun eh. I don't remember which one is 2 months, which one is 6 months eh. If you cannot justify your absence for the next 2 months or 6 months,
Si
You
Bok
get put
talagang sipag mag-Google
Oo
nito.
nga eh.
Inaalam talaga lahat. Yun may
Mahirap nung
references
Excel
na,
file.
nabe-benchmark, Australia,
Oo
Canada.
nga. Pero ang hirap naman
Explainer,
i-benchmark tayo sa
oo.
Australia.
yeah.
But I
these
heard-
are all internal rules eh.
Yes, but I heard nga Senator Ping say na gumagana yung office niya. He can even go as far as to file bills.
Yeah.
And in recent memory, nung nakakulong the whole time no si Senator Laila De Lima, she was also working from her office. Ang bawal lang niya gawin is yung nominal voting ba yun? Or yung
No,
May mga
voting.
vote.
Safe
Nominal
to
voting.
assume na nagtatago, no?
Si Bato,
Yes.
indisposed.
he's made himself unavailable, sabi ni
Yun.
Attorney Torreon.
The many words to describe it. You know.
Yeah, pero
We
sabi
don't
naman
say
ni
in hiding.
Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla, we know where he is.
And?
But why will we arrest him? Wala naman daw warrant.
Right.
Sabi, kapatid niya meron.
Ayun din yung tinanong namin. Ang sabi niya, hindi ako yung kapatid ko. So,
Good
tanong niyo
answer.
siya. Tama
Good
naman.
answer. Tama naman.
Tama naman. Sabi niya, may
So-
pinakita lang din daw sa kanya.
So, yun.
Screenshot.
Kung meron ba, dadamputin ba sila? For example, Bongo's not hiding.
Right. He's not.
So, what happens kung meron nga?
Parang wala namang nangyaring investigation yet sa kanya, di ba? Parang ang all this time, what is being expected is a warrant and an investigation, and a warrant on Duterte and Bato de la Rosa.
But if you see,
Lately lang nag-surface yung pangalan ni Bongo after the testimony in the Senate of Dharma.
But I think that's because it was redacted.
it was redacted.
Nagbawa sila ng redactions eh. Kaya lumabas yung 8
yung
na
walang pangalan.
Pero for all you know, gumugulang siya since last year.
Correct. Pero alam mo yung role niya kasi is yung funds eh. Yun yung role ni Bongo dyan. So parang supposedly yung mga
This is
reward
based
money.
on Garma's
The
testimony.
Based on her testimony, just to refresh everyone's memory, is siya nga daw yung nagbibigay ng reward money sa respective mga police
Yun ang
station.
papel niya.
Yun daw
ang
ang
trabaho
papel
niya.
Oo. And siya kasi yung,
Siya
hindi
tagalabas
natin
ng pera.
nakikita si Duterte na wala si Bongo.
Sa maraming bagay parang Duterte, siya tagalabas ng pera.
Oo.
Whether mayor siya o presidente.
Totoo. So yun yung rule niya. So out of the 8, yung isa lang na PNP chief, si General Cascolan, he's passed away. So siya na lang yung...
Mostly people in the PNP. Right?
But
Yeah.
si Giran ng NBI sabi siya.
Tsaka yung PDEA. Diba?
PDEA.
Isang PDEA, si La Peña, tsaka si Gueran ng NBI.
Hmm.
PNP chiefs and Vitaliano Aguirre II.
That's basically the entire security establishment, if you think about it. Right?
Except for
Ang
the AP.
inassume nila, everybody was involved in the drug war. From Justice Secretary down to PNP Chief, NBI Director, PDEA and all that.
Yeah, because they have to prove that it was the whole system and that it was a policy sort of, right? And actually, nung time kasi ni Duterte, magulo naman yung, when Duterte speaks, it's kind of like shooting from the hip, ganyan.
Kailangan mo
So,
ng
hindi,
translator.
parang ganon. So,
Kaya
parang hindi
papel ni
rin
Harry
malinaw
Roque.
yung, hindi rin malinaw yung policy niya. Kumbaga, hindi niya sasabihin na, ito yung policy. Ganon. So, parang, for me, the common plan was, the prosecution and their foreigners at that, trying to like, put everything into like some sort of a workflow, org chart sort of thing para maintindihan ng mga tao.
Well, the charge kasi is you have to prove a systematic attack on civilians.
And that it was a policy, a national policy.
Yeah, that's why it's systematic. So, systematic attack on civilians by.
So do you
the
think
officials.
Reina Garma is there?
Yeah.
Sure na ba to?
Oh.
In The Hague.
Oh,
Yeah.
she's there na. If she's not there, she's just somewhere around waiting to be called in. I don't think naman they stay in The Hague. I mean,
Yeah.
whether it's Matobato, Las Cañas, I
Yeah.
don't think they stay in The Hague.
But somewhere there, where
Somewhere-
they're easily
Somewhere
callable.
they can be
It's a
pulled in.
short train, bus,
Mhm.
cab ride
Mm.
to ICC in The Hague, right?
Basta
Once
they're
you're
not in
there.
the Philippines where...
So,
maraming
Are any of these Filipino witnesses, or will we see them during the confirmation hearings?
Ay, that's not clear. Kasi
Yeah.
baka mamaya sa ano yan sa
Sa
trial,
trial
proper.
proper yata.
Kasi on one hand, you want to show substantial evidence of crime, but on the other hand, you don't want to overshow your hand.
Mhm.
Baka makapaghanda yung
Oo.
defense.
Oo, di ba?
Pero yung 500 extra
Yeah.
witness,
Na witnesses
victim witnesses,
or victims, yeah.
victims.
But remember, those are the numbers are not that important kasi you're looking at a representative sampling lang naman eh. Remember, yung 3 charges are based on 49 incidents.
Yes.
So hindi siya 6,000 or whatever.
Kumbaga
or
parang
fi-
sample lang to. Ito yung case study na.
It's just a
natin.
representative sampling. So the same goes with the 500 witnesses or victims. They'll probably go through them and see what can be used and what is redundant.
According to Attorney Conti, they were allowed to write to the judge and explain parang how this has affected their lives. When we talked to her on the big story a few nights ago, yun yung sinasabi niya na parang these victims. And then I said, so kailan lalabas itong mga, I guess, affidavits, we can call them, nila?
And you can imagine some of them probably, or many of them are probably family members.
I believe so. Yung mga nag-survive.
Kasi kung EJK yan,
Di wala na sila.
the actual victims are
Oo.
are the victims.
And they're also trying to get the lawyers disqualified. I don't know if that's gonna happen.
I don't know if that has to do with the system of the ICC. Na even if you're the prosecution, you have to act
Neutral.
neutral in a way.
Yeah, pero their argument is conflict of interest,
Yeah,
diba? Nila
yeah.
Kaufman.
Kaya nga,
So if it's
kasi
a...
sa Pilipinas, talagang anong conflict of interest? Kaya nga ako abogado niya. Because
Yeah.
I'm looking out for his interest.
So you think magagrant?
Ganun sa Pilipinas eh. Pero iba sistema nila eh.
Oh.
Sa kanila, you're all supposed to be officers of the court. And even if you're prosecution, if you find evidence against your case, you have to disclose it so that the others can use it
Yes.
against you.
Para fair, di ba?
Against
Oo.
you. We don't do that. Not here.
That's true. But
So baka doon ang hugot nila ng conflict of interest na parang, can you trust the 3 lawyers if they have been working for the victims even before pa?
yeah, so it's either, I mean, do you think it's another dilatory tactic from the side of Attorney Kaufman?
I
Or
don't know.
just, he's been trying everything.
I don't know. That's what he's saying. He wants it resolved ASAP so that it does not delay the confirmation charge. I also think naman that they want to have the COC kagad eh. Kasi I don't think they want to be there that much longer than necessary.
Well, they were the ones who delayed it to now, from September, right?
Yeah, because they were trying to get him released.
Yeah.
That's different.
Okay, so now that that didn't
Wala ka
work.
dun sa release issue. Dito ka na sa usad na ba tayo? Hindi pa rin.
Yun nga eh. Okay, so parang umusad tayo, may chance kaya na ma-release siya.
Well, wala na yung wala na yung jurisdiction issues eh. If I
Oo.
recall correctly, wala
Yeah,
na
that's
yung
been
jurisdiction
settled.
issues, wala na rin yung health issues. So now we're going into
Evidence.
evidence issues.
Yun nga eh. And,
So, fat chance.
I have no
I
idea.
mean, you know, I mean,
It's a completely different system altogether eh.
But nag-google mo ba if there's anybody who has been charged in the ICC who's actually walked out of it?
Actually, what?
who's actually got walk free.
Pinakawalan.
Walk free.
Meron pa ba nakakalabas ng ICC?
I'm not sure.
Once you're
Kung
in-
principal sa
Yeah, anybody who's been brought to trial in the ICC.
I'm not sure.
Nag-google mo na ba yun?
Yung tinan mo.
Yeah.
I-chat
Diba?
GPT mo nga.
Kasi kung one-way ticket yan.
May mga may mga, of course, alam natin may mga na-convict. Merong mga
namatay before natapos yung
Oo,
trial.
merong
Oo.
nailagay sa medical
Oo. Pero usually, hindi
hospital.
sila yung main. Di ba? Sila yung...
Hindi, pati sa
May main.
dun sa for medical reasons, may mga main. Hindi sila nakulong, nilagay sila sa medical institutions.
Nasiraan ng bayad.
Ay, hindi. Sobrang may sakit na. Yung
Okay.
ganun. I think in
So ano
Eastern
sabi ni
Europe yun.
Google, Sean? Meron ba?
Kailangan ko
Parang
itanong
wala
kay
pa
chat.
eh.
Parang walang lumalabas na glaring.
Ano?
Let's see. Yes daw, either because they were acquitted or charges were dropped.
Oh,
Okay.
so naquital na.
Oo.
Meron naman
si
pala.
Bagbo ng Côte d'Ivoire.
Ivory Coast.
Mhm.
Mm.
Charles Goudet, another Ivorian. Jean-Pierre Bemba. Yan yung lagi nating
Okay.
narinig. No? Si
May puti ba na ever? Puro taga-Africa
May puti
eh.
ba ever
Oo.
na nakulong sa
Yeah.
ICC?
Actually, meron. Ang alam ko,
Meron ba?
Milosevic.
Si Milosevic lang.
ng Yugoslavia. Serbia. Yun lang.
Si Mladic ba? Nangyari kay Mladic? Hindi siya.
Milosevic ba o Mladic? One of those. The Serbian.
Si Milosevic, I know Milosevic. I'm wondering if Mladic was also Pero kasi there are several tribunals hindi lang ICC. There was also the tribunal on the former Yugoslavia
Mhm.
as well as a tribunal on the Rwandan genocide
Ay, pero hindi
although
rin
these
hindi
are all
puti yan.
parallel.
Hindi mga puti yung Rwanda.
yeah, syempre. Although these are all parallel, pero you have several tribunals which were working.
Kaya sila
together.
na-accuse ng colonialism eh. Di
But
ba? Kasi puro third world African countries or leaders ang na-ICC dyan.
Well, that's what Trump was saying, di ba?
Mm-mm.
But
Also,
Well, they've charged Putin also now, and also is there charges with
Netanyahu.
Netanyahu there? So
baka
good luck
it's-
catching
baka
those
naman
guys.
it's more
no?
of ang nakukuha nila are the non-whites because they're easier to get or access
Sinusuko kasi.
than the Caucasians.
Yeah, that sounds so bad. Like when you say it like that. It sounds...
I'm just saying, kasi
Doon na lang tayo sa
Kasi-
third world. Mas madali sila.
Actually, dapat mas mahirap hulihin.
Dapat, di ba? Pero parang...
taking from what Patrick was saying, and from what you were saying, but meron namang mga puti na nakasuhan.
Si Putin.
Oh, yeah, Putin and Netanyahu. How higher up can you get? Di ba?
But
So,
how
getting-
easy is it to get those
Getting
people?
them is a different thing
Oo.
altogether. Pero if
Yan
you're-
yung mga ina-announce na yung arrest warrant kasi alam na hindi mahuhuli. Kaya ina-announce na lang. Yan.
Kaya,
Remember kay Duterte, it was not announced eh. Right?
yes.
Kaya itong kay Bato,
So, alam-
allegedly, neither confirm nor deny.
Yeah.
Red, di ba?
Sa bagay, yung kay Bibi, kay Netanyahu, tsaka kay Putin, ina-announce nila, I guess, because they know na wala talagang hope.
Yes, oo.
Pero si Milosevic, you're right. No? He was charged by the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia,
There
ICTY, separate from the ICC. Yun lang he died.
These are all parallel tribunals naman eh. Pero nga, but also, to be fair din naman to them, di naman lahat ng judges dun, mga puti eh. Maraming nga doon, mga third world.
Actually, totoo. Maraming mga galing sa former Yugoslavia at saka Africa.
Oo, tsaka South America.
South America.
So it's not exactly it's a white
It's a colonial,
white
neo-colonial
colonial
institution.
Pero siguro hindi lang
institution.
din tayo sanay kasi when we watch the proceedings, it's so devoid of drama. Hindi tayo
It's so
Sober.
unlike yung
Well, whatever drama
screaming in the,
that's not there is made up by how the judges look like, I think.
I don't
Unpopular opinion. Buti lang dito yung mga yan.
know. Siya yung
Patingin
tinroll. Pero tinroll siya ng tinroll, di
Kanya
ba?
nga, di ba? Kaya ata susunod na judge na humarap, iba na eh. Hindi na yung isa eh.
Pero paano ba? If it goes to trial, hindi lang din isa yung hurado, di ba? Parang it's always a
It's three.
panel. It's always three.
A tribunal of 3.
For pre-trial as well as
You
sa
always have
trial
an odd
phase.
number.
Yeah, pang tie-break.
Oh, you don't wanna tie kasi hassle yun pag tie! Ulitin natin.
Hindi na ako maalis-alis.
Para Supreme Court, 15. Di ba? Tapos most divisions are 3.
Oo. Pero lagi kasing may absent, di ba, minsan sa mga decision nila.
That's a different thing altogether.
Do you think, well, I don't know, but I guess because it's happening at this time, then it will also really, really affect the 2028 elections a lot.
Oh, yeah. Look at the possibilities.
I mean, there aren't a lot of possibilities.
There
now. I
are
can only see
many
like a
possibilities.
very clear possibility.
If anything happens to Tate Diggs.
Exactly. Game over.
Oh.
That's pretty much the conventional wisdom, right? If something happens, it's game over.
Yeah. But even if he, let's say, survives, that he's still alive and he's in there,
If he's convicted, what do you think?
exactly. If he's convicted, parang game over na din eh. It's
If
as
he-
good
You think
as...
so?
So if he's convicted and if he's acquitted, pareho lang resulta.
Well, a lot of people would say na parang, this is maybe the worst thing they did was to take Tatay Digong. In terms of a political move here.
I think that a conviction has to have some effect. In terms of diminishing,
Sige.
Saan kuweba siya galing?
Oo nga eh.
in terms of
I want to hear
diminishing,
the thoughts from that team.
diminishing, I can't say by how, but to what extent, diminishing the sympathy for the Dutertes. A conviction.
In the Philippines or in the
In the
International
Philippines,
Court
we're talking about
of,
here in the
Here lang,
Philippines.
here lang.
Here in the
Here lang.
Philippines.
In the International Court of Public Opinion siguro, pero
No,
in the
no,
Philippines hindi.
No, ako I think, kahit papaano a conviction will
Parang
chip away at some support.
Parang hindi. Kasi if you look at the numbers, diba maraming gusto mag-exact ng accountability sa kanya. But at the same time, if you look at the numbers of Sara Duterte, they just keep going up. So parang hindi rin siya in lockstep eh.
There's always going to be some people who will feel na, ay, na-convict na pala. Meron pa rin, conservative ang mga Filipino eh. So there's still going to be a significant number of Filipinos who will go with the law kung anong desisyon ng korte.
Hindi pa ako nakakapunta sa kuweba na yun. Parang
I'm not saying it's
see
gonna
it.
flip the sympathy. I think it will chip away at some of the support. May mga Pilipino pa rin they will go with anong desisyon ng korte. Whether korte dito o korte sa ano.
Yeah, but
Possible.
It's the conservative in the
But
Philippines.
it's
It's
also,
the masunuri ng Pilipino. Doon siya.
but you also have to take into account how creative people are in rationalizing things. Like
There will be those,
for
of course.
example,
That's not gonna be,
na-convict siya, grabe talaga.
Of course, of
Pero
course.
iba yung anak eh.
Of course.
Of
course, of
Yung
course,
tatay
of
naman
course.
Tsaka parang if taking that argument, no, parang, na-convict tong mga pero nanalo sila ulit, senador, di ba? So parang, ewan ko, nadadala ba talaga tayo sa mga convictions? I mean, I don't know.
And also parang, kasi, yung mga puti yung mga yan eh. O kaya, kasi, yung mga bias yung
Yeah, exactly. Kasi ginawa lang
Kaya
yan.
tanong lang naman dito, Bok, is kung na-convict, kung magagalit lalo ang mga Pilipino o may mababawas sa konting suporta. I don't think na lalo magagalit.
ang tanong, kung may mabawas man, sige, sabihin natin, let's go along Sir Patrick's argument. Kung may mabawas man, will it be significant enough?
Baka hindi.
I think yun yung pinanggagalingan namin ni Bok.
Doon tayo magkakasundo.
Oo.
Pero whether lalo maraming gagalit, baka hindi.
Nakikita ko yung basis ng argument.
In other words, makonvict siya, good for him.
Pumanaw
Makwit siya, good for him. Mag-pass away siya.
Pumanaw siya.
Whatever happens, in other words.
Ang daming mga like...
But it makes a lot of difference. For example, kung na-convict siya, is it gonna result in an uprising or massive street demonstrations here? Yun lang naman magiging sukatan natin. Will it automatically lead to that?
Iba pa yun. Iba pa yun.
Iba yun.
Nako, iba.
I don't think so. May sobering effect din yung a judicial decision will have a little sobering, calming effect, neutralizing effect on public emotions.
Well, they
Yun lang
haven't really succeeded. I mean, they took him already and there have been some attempts, di ba, at gathering people. Pero nothing's really like hit a very big tipping point.
You're
Or
looking
anything
for
close to
you're
that.
looking for a confluence of events.
But kung
Yeah.
na-acquit yan, kung pinakawalan yan during the confirmation hearing, that is going to create a lot of unrest.
We have to also
Here.
think about,
All right,
is
right?
that how possible?
Do you agree? Is that also your
If
assessment?
he's
If he gets acquitted?
if it's
It's
dismissed in
dismissed.
COC,
Yeah, it's going to create some. There will be disturbances here
If he's acquitted, if he's
Yes,
dismissed,
yeah.
if he's dismissed.
If he gets a...
because there's going to be an anticipation of bringing him home. Buhay ulit, may call na mabubuhay.
Ang tanong,
Right?
sino yung mag-gather, di ba?
Well, there's enough people here who will we
That's
have
true.
supporters here.
Pero it's going to...
But in all likelihood, sabi nga nila, matagal kung mag-trial yan,
Matagal.
mahabang proseso yung trial ng ICC.
Tsaka 3
So it
charges.
might even go beyond, most likely go beyond this administration.
I think so. I mean, I know they're kind of
Once they go to
fast, but
trial.
it's still not like lightning speed.
Yeah. Once they go into trial.
I have to look at how long the trial per se takes. Kasi iba yung iba yung step by step na preliminary examination, tapos confirmation of charges. All these are pre-trial steps that have to be, you have to cross the T's and dot the I's. Iba yung trial mismo eh.
Okay, I asked ChatGPT for some averages. So not one simple number, but based on completed cases, from arrest to verdict, about 5 to 8 years on average. Trial phase alone, meaning from the opening to judgment, is about 2 to 4 years.
Okay.
So definitely well beyond this term. Well, I like, there's this school of thought na parang when Duterte was sitting there in Villamor for so long, saying that he was thinking, maybe I'll just go para, to secure his family's, political future here.
You're a cynic.
Am I a cynic?
Yeah. I'm glad that it came from you.
Ano?
I'm a cynic? You know how people were saying, diba, na parang, I think Duterte just said, sige na, sasama na ako, just to secure the Duterte's political future here. It's like a myth-making.
Mahirap yung makulong.
Mahirap, yeah. Pero, I mean, kakaibang tao rin naman din siya.
I mean, that sounds too calculating.
Sabi ko, you're a cynic eh.
Now, for my, maybe,
That's why I said, it's good it came from you. It
Yeah.
came
to
from me.
calculate to secure the political future of my, parang,
Yeah.
was he that calculating? More like para wala nang gulo. Sama na lang ako. Mas siguro ganon. Maybe at that point, I imagine, Bok, we've been through a sticky situation like that before, diba, in Afghanistan. We didn't see far beyond when we were held up by those armed people in Afghanistan. We didn't really see beyond, babarilin ba tayo dito? Hindi. Ganon, right?
Mamakawa ba ako? Hindi.
Oo, hindi. Ganon.
But he would have known naman na hindi naman siya, kumbaga hindi naman siya nasa life or death. Imprisonment for sure. Pero
Yeah. freedom or incarceration.
But he probably
Malapit
knows
na rin yun.
that if he
Sean,
flies off to
alam,
the ICC, he's
I
not coming
guess
back.
Yes,
he knew that there's no coming back.
He
That
knew
was
that.
it. There was no coming
That's
back.
why he made that video on plane. He had that little selfie video. that
Ako,
was-
what I sense from him is just like utter submission, resignation to his fate. At that moment, that he knew this once very powerful man could not do anything. There was nothing he could do. In fact, diba, he was
very much into fate.
well.
I mean,
I wouldn't go there.
No, he
Pero may submission at resignation eh. Saan mo nakita si Duterte na parang helpless? That moment at the airport when he was just sitting down,
Yeah.
na nagwawala yung anak niya, siya halos walang reaction. Only a whimper maybe at most. And you saw this
Tapos hindi pa dumating yung
this
pizza.
General Torre, who was clearly in command and he was the loudest voice in the room, and tingin ko sa kanya, he was just in shock and resigned and submitted na, okay, this
To
is
his
it,
fate.
to his fate.
But
Anyway,
you're cynical.
He used to say
I'm
that.
cynical.
He used to say, I remember during times when he was still president, very much in power, he would say na maybe in one of his hyperbolic moments na, I'm willing to go to hell so that the Filipinos can live in heaven. May mga ganun siyang
May mga
statement
ganun
eh.
siya, yeah.
Whether that's bluster or prophetic words or I don't know. Di ba? Bok, remember, marami siya sinasabing ganun eh. Di ba?
Yeah, but that's part of the performance of ano eh.
Yeah,
the politics
okay.
eh.
Unfortunately, medyo nangyari. In a way, di
Kaya
ba?
mahirap rin sabihin na maybe it was a little bit calculated.
Oh.
Probably brought on by the fact na medyo no choice na rin.
Hmm.
I mean, you're backed into a corner. There's not really... There was actually no other choice. He was delaying, he did, and then he stopped.
Mhm, mhm, mhm. And you're in an airbase.
In
Huh?
presidential
Hmm.
hangar.
With an overwhelming presence of policemen.
A crazy amount of police. That was
And not even your pizza can get through.
Yes.
Or your daughter, who's an attorney.
No, your pizza.
Your pizza.
I know that. I can relate to that
Pizza
kasi
ni Bongo.
nung EDSA dos kasi hindi kami makapasok pero
Yung pizza nakalusot.
nakapasok yung delivery. Sir,
Sa
bakit
Malacanang
sila
to?
pwede?
Ah.
Oh, okay. Kwento mo.
Sige, bago tayo mag-rap kasi andyan na yung karatula.
Oh.
Oh, what's a
Ikaw
pizza
na
story?
magkwento.
EDSA dos. So,
Erap.
si
Final
Erap,
moment si Erap sa
oo.
Malacanang.
Siyempre, nagpipilit kami pumasok dun sa gate.
Malacanang.
Gate 2.
Malacanang, basta po pa.
Oh, sa tapat ng DBM.
Hmm.
Okay.
Tapat ng DBM, doon pa dating entrance eh. Tapat ng dating DBM. Okay, ayaw mo pasukin. May dumating na delivery. Oh, pasok. Sir!
Yung pizza nakapasok, kami hindi.
Delivery. Kami hindi. Nagko-cover kami dapat. Oh. Sige na, dili. Bilisan nyo. Okay, Ming.
So the lesson there is, dapat next time naka-Pizza Hut kayo na outfit. Para mapasukin kayo.
So, na-cover namin ng departure ni Air from Malacanang.
On that note.
And that wraps it up. Ang lesson doon is,
Huwag haharangin ng pizza.
order ka ng maaga.